This week, Pakistan was elected with overwhelming support as Vice Chair of UNESCO Executive Board for the term 23 to 25 from the Asia-Pacific Group. We are grateful to all members of UNESCO for their overwhelming support and the trust reposed in Pakistan's candidature. Also this week, the people of Pakistan joined the international community in observing the International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people. We reaffirm our support for our Palestinian brothers and sisters in this time of great ordeal and trauma for the Palestinian people. We are disappointed that after a brief pause, Israel has restarted bombing the Palestinian people. The temporary pause offered a crucial respite to the suffering people of Gaza and allowed exchange of prisoners. Pakistan reiterates its call for a durable and sustained ceasefire to enable supply of extensive and robust humanitarian assistance, urgent medical aid to the injured, and shelter to those who have been displaced as a result of indiscriminate and inhumane bombing campaign by Israeli occupation forces. We are deeply concerned at the escalating Israeli aggression against the West Bank and the escalation of hostile acts against the Palestinian population. We strongly condemn the Israeli raid in the Jenin refugee camp and acts of violence and repression against the returning prisoners and their families. The international community should take immediate and decisive steps to bring an end to Israel's campaign of terror against the Palestinian civilians. Pakistan supports the call for a comprehensive investigation into attacks against medical facilities, schools, mosques, churches, residential buildings, and water facilities, and urges full accountability for the war crimes being perpetrated in occupied Palestine. The authorities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir continue to treat Kashmiri people with an iron fist. Reports suggest that a few days ago, 7 Kashmiri leaders of Sher-e-Kashmir University of Agriculture, Science and Technology in Gaderbal